So recently we've been having trouble with our freezer in our motor home. We have a residential style refrigerator freezer with the freezer on the bottom. One of the issues we've always had with it, the condensation lays in the bottom of this freezer and there's no drain to it. So a lot of the water lays in there and it eventually freezes, and we have to basically defrost it like once a week or so and get that out of there. But here lately, we come out here, or one day last week, and this whole carpet area underneath here was wet. The stuff in the freezer was kind of halfway thawed, and we thought, well, somebody just didn't get the drawer closed tight enough. So we shoved it shut, and that didn't seem to make any difference. We kept getting a lot of water down here, so we started trying to figure out what was wrong. One of the issues I thought maybe was the coils underneath here had too much dust on it, which they did have a lot of dust. You need to clean them off once in a while. I did that. Still had the same issues. We was still getting a lot of water, and the stuff inside of it kept getting defrosted all the time. So we tried several other things. Nothing seemed to work, and after talking to a friend of ours, we thought maybe the seal around here was bad. So I was trying to check on that, and I noticed one thing. There is, on the bottom of this freezer, I don't know why I hadn't noticed it before, there is a latch system like this. It's the same latches that are on all our drawers and stuff around here. And what happens with these things when they break, this thing stays in like that, and it won't close all the way. So it was a pretty simple fix. I had some of these out in our storage. I took the one off, put the other one on, and now we seal up. What it was doing, it was keeping the door from going all the way closed by probably 1/2 inch, which you'd have thought I'd have been able to see sooner, but not me. One thing about it, if you ever have that issue, something that's nice to have to work on that is this right angle drive that can go in your drill or your impactor like this, and then like this, and you can get up underneath there to get those 2 screws out. Otherwise, you need a really short, stubby screwdriver. So these are kind of handy to have around. It's just a right angle drive extension. So that was our issue, what we had, what we found, and hopefully that can help you out. Let me know if you know of a way to keep that water from collecting inside there. I don't think it's deep enough that we can put a drain in it that'll work to do us anything. But if you had that issue and figured out a better way to get the water out of there, let me know.